Smart maintenance is paving the way towards an increased availability of machine tools. With the help of machine learning, sensor data can be analyzed in order to detect signs of wear and tear long before a machine breaks down. At Fraunhofer IPK, we integrate this idea into a holistic fleet maintenance solution, which can even support technicians when repairing a machine. Let us show you how. In the first step, we retrofit machines with sensors to record data such as temperature, vibrations, and energy consumption. This data is collected and processed by an edge device. Processing consists of future extraction and classification of machine behavior. Can the current data pattern transmitted by a sensor be considered normal, or does it display unusual features? The classification result is passed on to an IoT platform for various applications. The platform stores all data in a database to build up an extensive machine history. Over a certain period of time, an integrated AI will learn to predict upcoming machine failure. Additionally, the IoT platform archives and visualizes this data for condition monitoring applications. Dashboards may be used by shop floor supervisors to constantly monitor the state of all machines in operation. The most important application is put into practice when an upcoming machine failure is detected. Digital assistant apps automatically inform service technicians that maintenance is needed. On-site, such apps support identification of the affected machine, providing repair instructions as well as automatic service protocol generation. The architecture of Fraunhofer IPK's smart maintenance solution is not predefined. We will adapt it according to your company's needs and conditions. Working with you, we will select cost-efficient sensors, customize IoT integration, and set up a system architecture that suits you best, because we want your production environment to work free of failures.